In this video, we listed the 5 best dash cams under $100 on AliExpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. AZDOME M330 Dash Cam. The AZDOME M330 car DVR is a high-performance 1080p dash cam designed to enhance driving safety and convenience. Featuring a compact 0.96-inch TNT screen, the device offers clear monitoring of its operational status, while its advanced video capabilities ensure high-quality recordings, capturing detailed visuals like license plates. Equipped with Wi-Fi connectivity, users can easily view and download footage to their smartphones via the AZDOME app without needing to remove the micro SD card. Notable features include smart voice control for hands-free operation, a G-sensor for automatic emergency recording during sudden impacts, and a supercapacitor for reliable power management even while parked. The dashcam also boasts excellent night vision capabilities, thanks to its f1.8 wide aperture and 6-glass lens design. Included accessories enhance the installation process, and an optional hardwire kit is available for uninterrupted power. With its array of functionalities, the AZDOME M330 stands out as a dependable choice for capturing critical driving moments. Number 2. REDTIGER F9 NP Dash Camera. The REDTIGER F9 NP Dashcam is a state-of-the-art automotive accessory designed to enhance safety and improve the overall driving experience. Equipped with a 4K Ultra HD front camera that captures every detail with stunning clarity, this dashcam ensures that none of your journeys are missed. It features supercapacitor technology for reliability across extreme temperatures and advanced night vision capabilities for clear visibility in low light conditions. The G-sensor automatically locks crucial footage during collisions, protecting critical moments. With Wi-Fi connectivity and a user-friendly app, accessing and managing footage on your smartphone is seamless. Installation is quick and hassle-free, allowing for easy removal and repositioning. The package includes essential accessories such as a rear camera, a suction cup with GPS, a power supply cable, and a memory card, making it a complete solution for drivers seeking peace of mind on the road. Number 3. AZDOME M300S Dash Cam. The AZDOME 4K plus 1080p Dashcam M300S is a versatile car DVR designed to enhance driving safety and documentation, featuring ultra-high-definition video recording at 4K, 3840 by 2160 resolution for the front camera and 1080p for the rear. It comes equipped with built-in GPS for tracking routes and speeds, as well as 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi for real-time video viewing through the AZDOME app. The dashcam incorporates voice control capabilities, allowing users to operate its functions hands-free, improving focus on driving. With a wide 170 degrees angle lens, it captures comprehensive road details, and its f1.8 aperture supports exceptional low-light performance through super night vision. Additional features include a 24-hour parking monitor that automatically records collisions, loop recording to manage storage efficiently, and a complimentary 64GB micro SD card. The unit is lightweight at 320g and operates effectively across a temperature range of -20 to 70, backed by a 1-year warranty. Number 4. LINGDU 4K Dash Cam. The LINGDU D600 4K Dual Dash Cam is a state-of-the-art vehicle recording device designed for safety and convenience on the road. Featuring a high-resolution capture of 3840 by 2160 pixels, it utilizes a 5MP CMOS imaging sensor alongside a fast f1.8 aperture and 6-glass lenses to produce vivid and detailed video footage. The dashcam comes equipped with a built-in GPS for real-time location tracking, as well as advanced features like voice control, 24-hour parking monitoring, and night vision capabilities. Additionally, it offers seamless connectivity through 5 GHz Wi-Fi, allowing for easy app control and file sharing via the LINGDU app. Bundled with a 64GB microSD card, expandable up to 128 GB, and designed to operate in extreme temperatures from -20 degrees Celsius to 70 degrees Celsius, the LINGDU D600 is engineered for reliability and performance. Its user-friendly features, including motion detection, G-sensor technology, and loop cycle recording, make it an essential companion for both everyday drivers and road trip enthusiasts, ensuring every journey is securely documented. Number 5. REDTIGER F9 Dash Cam. The REDTIGER F9 Dash Cam serves as an advanced driving companion designed to enhance safety and convenience on the road. Featuring a 4K front camera with an f1.5 aperture and a 1080p rear camera, it captures high-quality footage with excellent night vision and a wide-angle view of 170 degrees. The dashcam operates effectively in extreme temperatures due to its durable supercapacitor, ensuring reliability in harsh conditions. Users can enjoy smart connectivity via built-in Wi-Fi and GPS tracking for real-time updates, alongside features such as time-lapse recording, G-sensor technology, and 48-hour parking monitoring. The device supports loop recording with a capacity for up to 256 GB of external memory and comes with a user-friendly app, making operation seamless without the need for buttons. Additional features, including smart voice alerts and a streamlined one-click installation process, further enhance the overall user experience, making the REDTIGER F9 a dependable option for capturing every journey.